This guide introduces 4 practical methods to export Samsung contacts to Excel, ranging from built-in phone features to cloud services and specialized tools. Part 1. How to export Samsung contacts to Excel with the Contacts app. Although it only creates a VECFF card file instead of an Excel file, you can later convert it into Excel format. Step 1. Open the Contacts app on your Samsung phone. Step 2. Tap the menu 3 lines and go to Manage Contacts. Step 3. Select Import Export Contacts, Export. Step 4. Choose to export contacts to your phone storage or SD card. A VECFF file will be generated. Step 5. Connect your phone to your computer via USB or use cloud storage to transfer the VECFF file. Step 6. Open the file in Excel. You may need to use the text-to-columns feature or use an online converter to turn it into a CSV or Excel file. Part 2. How to export Samsung contacts to Excel by Coolmuster Android Assistant. Although it doesn't generate a native Excel file, Zelsex, it allows you to export contacts as CSV, which can be opened and edited directly in Microsoft Excel. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Android Assistant on your computer. Launch the program and connect your Samsung phone to the computer with a USB cable. Step 2. Follow the on-screen prompts to enable USB debugging on your device. Once enabled, the program will quickly detect your phone. Step 3. On the left panel, click Contacts to open the Contacts Management window. Select the contacts you want to export, then click Export. Choose Export to CSV. Step 4. Pick a destination folder on your computer, confirm with OK, and your contacts will be exported instantly. The CSV file will include detailed information such as names, phone numbers, emails, and addresses. Open the CSV file in Excel to view, edit, and organize your contacts. Part 3. How to export Samsung contacts to Excel using Google Contacts. If you already sync your Samsung contacts with your Google account, exporting them through Google Contacts is a convenient option. Since Google Contacts works online, you don't need extra software, and the exported file can be opened directly in Excel. Step 1. On your Samsung device, go to Settings, Accounts, and Backup. Manage Accounts Google. Step 2. Make sure Contacts Sync is enabled for your Google account. Step 3. On a computer, open Google Contacts and sign in with the same account. Step 4. Select the contacts you want to export or choose all. Step 5. Click the More Actions menu. Export. Step 6. Choose Google CSV format and download the file. Step 7. Open the downloaded CSV file in Excel. Part 4. How to export Samsung contacts to Excel via Contacts to Excel. The app allows you to export your contacts directly into Excel or CSV format from your phone. Step 1. Download and install Contacts to Excel from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Launch the app and allow the necessary permissions to access your contacts. Step 3. Select the option to export contacts. Step 4. Choose Zelsex or CSV format. Step 5. Save the file locally or send it to yourself via email, cloud storage, or messaging apps.